Hi guys, so today I posted on my Facebook page that it's really hard. I know that's really hard to make time for your workout sometimes when you have busy days, you go to work, but if you make the time, you have to push really hard and get the best out of it. Don't even think that I don't struggle with making time for my workouts. A lot of times I feel lazy, I don't want to do it, and I push it back and back until the evening. And then it's like almost 8 o'clock and my favorite show on TV starts, and then I always think, oh, I have like 20 minutes until my show starts. And then I know that there's no way I'm gonna do a workout after that. So, you know, I really push myself to get up and I do the 10-minute workout, bodyweight workout really fast, and I give it the max, and then I feel great, and I can sit down and I watch my show and I feel amazing. So even if during the days when I'm push it back, I push myself at least in the last minute to do my 10-minute workout, and I'm really pushing hard. So I want you guys to push yourself. I want you to motivate yourself and try to do your workouts on a daily basis, because it's really important and it takes you only 10-15 minutes. So that's it for today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.